The AL House, a masterpiece crafted by Studio Arthur Casas, is a testament to the harmonious interplay of architecture and nature. The project was born from a singular desire to fully immerse oneself in the breathtaking panorama of Rio de Janeiro's mountains and sea. A long-standing client of the studio, a successful bachelor, yearned to trade his apartment confines for a home deeply intertwined with its surroundings. The journey began with the search for the perfect plot. Nestled amidst the hills near São Conrado beach, the chosen land presented a unique challenge. While captivating, it offered neither a direct sea view nor an optimal vantage point for landscape contemplation. Undeterred, Arthur Casas envisioned a solution that would elevate the living experience to unprecedented heights. The architect's audacious proposal was to position the heart of the home, the social areas and pool, on the second floor, creating a platform from which to embrace the stunning vistas. With unwavering confidence, Casas assured his client that the house would become an extension of the landscape. By raising the main living spaces, the architect ingeniously overcame the site's limitations and transformed them into an opportunity. The ground floor was dedicated to guest rooms and service quarters, discreetly nestled within a verdant garden. As one ascends to the second floor, the world unfolds. Expansive glass walls dissolve the boundaries between interior and exterior, inviting the outdoors in. The living room, dining area, and kitchen flow seamlessly into one another, creating an open and airy ambience. The pool, a shimmering oasis, becomes an integral part of this social hub, offering refreshing respite while maintaining a visual connection to the horizon. The scale of the spaces is nothing short of extraordinary. Soaring ceilings and unobstructed views create an unparalleled sense of openness and freedom. It's as if the house has been designed to amplify the natural grandeur of its surroundings. Yet, amidst this architectural drama, a sense of intimacy prevails. The careful selection of materials, local stone and kumara wood, grounds the space and evokes a connection to the earth. The third floor is a private sanctuary. Here, the master's suite and home office occupy a more intimate scale, offering a quiet retreat from the main living areas. Both spaces are oriented towards the horizon, ensuring that the breathtaking views remain a constant companion. interior design of the AL house is a celebration of comfort and casual elegance. A curated blend of Brazilian and international furnishings creates a warm and inviting atmosphere. The overall aesthetic is one of relaxed sophistication, perfectly complementing the house's architectural splendor. The AL house is more than just a residence. It is a testament to the power of architecture to transform a site and enhance the human experience. By daring to elevate the living spaces, Arthur Casas and his team created a home that is in perfect harmony with its surroundings, offering its inhabitants an unparalleled connection to nature and a lifestyle of unparalleled luxury. And there you have it, a stunning example of how architecture can seamlessly blend with nature. The AL House by Studio Arthur Casas is a masterpiece that redefines luxury living. With its breathtaking views, innovative design, and impeccable execution, this home is truly a testament to the power of human creativity. If you were as captivated by this architectural marvel as we were, don't forget to hit that like button and share this video with your friends. And for more inspiring designs and architectural wonders, subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.